In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or link a task to another list in ClickUp. We'll start from your home workspace, where you'll need to find the list, folder or general location that currently contains the task you want to work with. The main idea here is to begin at the task's current location so you can manage it directly from where it already lives. If your workspace has a lot of folders and lists, take a moment to navigate carefully so you select the correct one. Once you've located that area, open the task you want to move. Make sure you've chosen the right task before continuing, especially if you have several items with similar names. This helps avoid accidentally moving the wrong work item to another list. After opening the task, look for the ellipsis icon, usually shown as 3 dots. Click that icon to open the task's additional options. This menu gives you access to actions that are not always visible in the main task view, including the option we need for this process. From that drop-down menu, click on Move To. This is the command that lets you send the task to a different destination within your ClickUp workspace. If your goal is to fully relocate the task, this is the option you'll use. Next, search or browse for the destination list. You can either type the name of the list if you already know it, or manually navigate through your available workspace locations until you find the right one. It's a good idea to double-check the destination before confirming, since this determines where the task will appear next. When you've selected the correct list, confirm your choice to shift the task entirely. After this is completed, the task should disappear from its previous location. That's a helpful visual confirmation that the move was successful and that the task is no longer stored in the original list. Now, go to the location where you moved the task. Navigate to that new list and look for the task there. This final check is important because it confirms that the task arrived in the intended destination and is now available where you need it. And that's it. The task is now located on the new list. As a quick wrap-up, the process is simple. Find the task, open its options, choose Move To, select the new list and confirm. Taking a few extra seconds to verify both the original task and the destination list can save time and prevent mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.